Okay, in this video, let's see how to reverse a word. How to write a Python code to reverse a word. For example, I have a string like a is equal to today is a sunny day. Today is sunny day. Okay, this is my string. Okay, I have a string today is sunny day which is stored in the variable called a. So if I want to reverse it, like each character by character, if I want to reverse it, I can use slicer. Means, for example, if I want to get the last character, I can say it like a bracket. Then the last character start from the indexing is for the string is like 0, 1, 2. From the last it takes like -1, -2. So I will just call -1. Then it will print y. It is the last character. When I said -2, it will give a. Means -1, -2. From the beginning it take like if I want to get the first character, I want to say 0. Means first index is always 0. If I want second, I have to give -1. I'm sorry, 1. It will give second. Then today a of 1. Okay, when I said 0, it's giving me t. When I said 4, let's see what will happen. It will give y because 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. When I said 1, it will give. When I said 2, it will give t. Okay, run it. Then 1, it will give a because hey, why it's giving a? Here I have 0. Oh, I don't know why it's giving a. For others, it will work correct. When I said 0, it will give t. When I said 1, it's giving me a. What happened? What's wrong with it? I don't know. So this is how for each individual character you can use slicer. So if you want to get a series, like if you want to get all the day, if you want to get all their series of the string, how can you use that? A of bracket from 0 colon space. It will take from the 0th position to the whole. When I run it, it will give whole string. Okay. Then if you want to from some character from here from the third from the 0, 1, 2, 3 to whole, then you can give 3 to whole. It will print from here. When I change it to 6, it will take from here is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. From the 6th location, the space represent the whole. You can do it reverse also. Space from the here -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. From here you want to all, you can give -4. So today is sunny. It will print this much because this position will be ignored and it will print whole. Okay, this is how the reverse indexing is works. Reverse identifying that will work. Then I will show something interesting. So now let's see how to get the string reversed. If I want to get reversed, I have to use space, double quote, double colon. It will get whole string. then I use -1, then I close it. Let's see what will happen. So it reverses the character by character, like YAD, YNNS. So this is how the reversing of the string will work. So if I want to reverse it like word by word, like day sunny is today. So for that, first I have to convert that string into list. So how to convert the string into list? That's very simple. Use another variable to store that list. Then you can use split. Split. Sorry, we have to use a. We're splitting this, right? A point split. When you use this to split, and if I now print like B, let's see what it shows. It converted into list, like today is sunny day. So now I can use this list to reverse it. Same way as I did to the string, I will use B because the list is in the B variable. B bracket, okay, double quote, it will get whole and -1. Then I will print it. So day sunny is today. So this is a very simple technique you can use to reverse a word. So use the slicer to reverse a word. For string it will reverse by word, character by character, like YDA. If you use space double quote like this, double colon and -1, it will reverse it the string. If you want to reverse by word, you have to first convert that string into list. It will convert the list string into list by the delimiter like space. It will convert each word divide it by the space, and you can use same function. B means that where the list is stored. B double quote -1. If you use -2 here, it will take like day, then take is. Let's see. When I run day, and we'll skip one part because you give here the 2 means jump to like this. If you give 3, it will jump to 3 like day 1 2 3 like this. Just see day and today. So this is how we can reverse any string and to reverse it by using split function, and by using list we can reverse it word by word or character by character.